50 seconds to go here. As the Hurricanes are shorthanded. Jordan Staal in the box. Canes with a 3-1 lead. And now Zibanejad flips the puck to Buchnevich. Behind the Canes net, Buchnevich loses the puck momentarily. It bursts free. Sebastian Aho with the Jets in the empty net. And the sealing goal in this one. Aho buries it. Second goal of the game. Canes go up 4-1.
What an absolute star. What a star. Teuvo, always underrated defensively, just battles that puck out. The explosive power of Sebastian. Sebastian has just taken over this game in the second half of it after James Reimer steals.